In this video, we will show you how to create a landing page in WordPress. To create a landing page in WordPress, we need to start with installation of WordPress websites. If you don't know how to install WordPress websites, you can see in this top right corner, you can learn about how to install WordPress locally on your Mac. Then in here, we select the language, and you must prepare the database, username and password. Okay, I will pause in this video because this is sensitive. After we input the database, we can just run the installation. For example, this is my landing. Then username, let's type admin like this, and the password I will put 1 until 5 and confirm the use week of password. I will type my email, and don't ever tick this if you don't want your site will never appear on Google. Just click install WordPress. After that, you can log in into your WordPress, and this is because you are using admin. We can just click login. To create a landing page, we suggest you to using plugins called Elementor. But before that, we can change our themes. Okay, just click add new. In here, you will see there is Hello Elementor theme. Just install this theme. After we activate this theme, we need to install the plugin Elementor to create beautiful landing page, and this is free. Okay, after that, we can visit our site to see the landing page like this. Then add your plugin in here, click plugins and add new. Just type Elementor, hit enter. Okay, click install now. The Elementor is drag and drop website builder, and this is very popular. You can see there more than 5 million people activate this plugin. So you can design your website whatever you like. Okay, to get the mouse out of Elementor, we will connect your account. Okay, we can just close this. Okay, you can see here now our WordPress looks like same, but we can verify our plugin is active for Elementor. You can see this is the free version. This is already active, so we can create a page in here. Just select page and click add new. Okay, just click next, and I don't like for using full screen, and this is homepage. Let's create this homepage with Elementor. Just click the edit with Elementor. Okay, now you can create a landing page you want. For example, I add an image in here. You can also select a file like this. This is just for example. So this is will not difficult to design, and in here we will add some column design like this. Okay, for example, you want the column with looks like this. Okay, we can input text or anything we want here. For example, this is our landing page. You can also design this to center like this, and you can also select the image and drag and drop look like this. Okay, this is just for example, guys. You can design with your feel, so it will like you want for your design. Okay, after that, if you done with your landing page, okay, you can click publish. Later we will try to okay, we can apply, try to edit this. After we click settings and choose general. Okay, this is okay, select reading. Okay, just your home page display, select a static page and select your home page that we create before and click save change. Okay, on the reading, not general, select your page that you create before and save change, and you can try to reload. Okay, this is your landing page, and this is your landing page. You can edit this. Of course, if you don't want this title is appear, you can customize. Okay, you can select site identity. In here, you can just delete this if you don't want, and click publish. Okay, you can edit this page like whatever you want in here, and we will try to embed the video. For example, select your page, this is, and we can click edit with Elementor. Because this is there is many widgets you can use on free version. For header and footer is ready for Elementor Pro, but in the next video we will try to create header and footer for free version. You can also embed the video, something look like this we can add. Okay, for example like this. Just click update, you can select the link in here and you can review. Okay, it's free using Elementor and WordPress, and hope this video helpful for you.